Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mirasport here again. It's been long I did this intro here, but if you are stopping by for the first time, please kindly endeavor to hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. I really do appreciate. So it's officially day one in Dubai, drum rolls, and today we are going for apartment or property inspection. I'm gonna walk you guys through the process. They have mind-blowing properties and apartments and plans here in Dubai, and I can't wait to take you guys through it. We are going to see live samples, and I'm gonna let the organizers explain how everything works. It's gonna really be mind-blowing, and I can't wait to go with you guys. Fun fact is that they are coming with a Lamborghini. We're gonna be escorted with a Lamborghini to the location, and I can't wait to take you guys with me. So come, let's get going. Apologies, this place is too noisy because I came to Dubai with a group of people. It's actually supposed to be a group tour, right? So everyone is just gathered somewhere over there, and the noise is annoying. But then we got to do what we got to do. Get? So we have quite a number of people going for these inspections, and we have about 4 or 5 Rolls Royce. I think this is the last one. So the guy was trying to direct him on where to park and wait for us so that we can quickly get ready and get going. So others left. I was running a bit late because I was actually filming, and yeah, this is the last one here, which is going to be carrying us, and we are heading to the location for the inspection. This car is really pretty. I'm calling it pretty because damn, it is. And then I was enjoying the ride. One thing about Dubai is that whenever I'm going on a car or road trip, I like looking at what is out there. A lot of constructions are recently going on, huge constructions, and then the sun was smiling at me, and I was literally happy. Whenever I look outside the window, I see wowing structures, and I'm like, oh my god, this place is really beautiful. Anyways, I was admiring the car while I was admiring the structures, and everything was really coming together. Anyways, we finally got there. As usual, best in coming late. I was the last person, so they were literally waiting for us to begin the process. Hi, I'm fine. Nice to meet you. Thank you. So we started off with something light. I like the fact that they were very professional yet accommodating, and the needle was eat first before we start. So everyone is done eating and drinking water, so everybody's energized. Food is over. It's now time to delve into the business of the day.
So each floor has 14 units, 6 units of studio, 7 units of one bed, and only 1 unit of 2 beds. That's it.
So the studios mostly are located in this side and in the back side. And for 1 bedrooms as well, it's the same. And then you can shoot them the 2 bedrooms where it's located.
Yes, the 2 bedroom is just on the story on the back side, right over here, which is facing Golf Club and Victory Heights, the most beautiful community with a lot of green townhouses and villas. And this side is facing the lake. Around the lake there will be a lot of retail, coffee shops, restaurants, and walking spot for the people. Not the sea view, it's like a lake, kind of
There is
yeah.
in front of the building. We will show you in the map how it's gonna be. So there is a round lake exactly in front of the building. So this side will have the lake.
Yeah,
This is a ski station in Switzerland.
Undermark. We didn't launch it yet, we don't know what's coming, but we launched another project in Swiss, which is in Stabio next to Lugano and Italy. So in Dubai, we have another project Maxi 30. So that one, we have a payment plan basically during construction and on handover. This one has a post-handover payment plan. It's located in City of Arabia, next to the Global Village and IMG World. Global Village is the most tourist attraction place, and IMG World is the covered amusement park for the kids, where the cinema and all the entertainment. So it's basically a new developed location where prices show.
So after that, yes. So after that, after you get the keys, you start paying the 50%.
You're already renting it out.
Yeah.
You can leave.
And so for investment, it's very good. Why? Because like the rental will pay like whatever it's remaining. So for you as an investor, you will not put all your money once. You will put your money only like half of the money. The other half will be like covered by the rental. And how is gonna be? You don't need to give us this 50% one shot. You give it to us every month 1%. So let's say you buy here like a 2-bedroom for 2 million. Let's say I'm just giving you an example. So every month you pay for us 20,000, 1%, 1%, 4% for 50 months. That means you will be paying for this property from today up to August 2030. It's a long time. So like you will make your money, you will make the profit on top of it. Especially if you do Airbnb in this area, because it's near the Global Village, it's near to IMG World. There is a lot of people like with families, they want to stay in that area, and there is no hotels in that area. That's why they prefer to go for apartment.
Yes, true. And the first down payment basically is 20%. Then the rest 20% you're paying also 1% per month. On handover you give 10, you get your key, and then 50 months, 50%, 1% per month. So it's very, very easy. Like basically a mortgage from developer without any interest.
Without any interest.
With the furniture, everything, with all that lines, you're just moving your own clothes, that's it. Yeah. So yeah.
Now we are done looking at the prototypes, and we are heading to an actual building where they depict the interior and the finishing of each and every of these apartments. So they're going to show us how their interior looks, how bougie, how luxury, and how classy it is. So let's go.
Welcome, yes. This is 2-bedroom apartment in our one of the luxury projects. Yes, you're welcome. Yes, so you can understand what we mean.
This one, you can look compared to all other.
Those, this is an entire room. It's huge, Joe. Because this is the bathroom. This is the what is it called? Closet, reading area, and that's the room. This is a 2-bed. This is the second room. Look at the toilet. Oh wow, it did that. That's the bathroom for this room that we are going to be entering now. That's the closet. See this huge closet. This is screaming luxury or nothing, to be honest. And here is the kitchen. And the sitting area, sitting room. Here is your balcony, spacious, beautiful.
All together we have 600 units. Together with the townhouses, villas, everything, all apartments, we have only 600 units. and amazing amenities, facilities, and the services.
Okay, so as she explained here, it's like a gated community. Like the total size of this gated community is 1.7 million square feet. And as you can see, we have a limited number. So 1.7 million square feet, we use 55% of it only for greenery and facilities. We could make more, like apartments, we could make more villas, but we want it to be like very exclusive for the residents, something very exclusive and with a lot of space. So we have 93 townhouses, we have like around 70 villas and dimensions as well, and for the apartments, not more than 500 apartments. So for the services and amenities that we have here, so we will be having 6 paddle courts outside, and we will be having 2 tennis courts, volleyball. So this is downtown.
Here. So the project Master 3.0 is located right over here. So basically, from the beginning, Emirates is connected by 4 major roads, which is Sheikh Zayed, Al Hail, Mohammed bin Zayed, and Emirates Road, which are the green. So taking these roads, you can go to Abu Dhabi, you can go to Sharjah, you can go to Dubai, to any Emirates you want. So our project located exactly on Mohammed bin Zayed Road, which is the fastest road where you can drive 130, 140. So here it is. These we will tune accordingly. So these 2 bedrooms located on the 15th floor, it has 1,179 square feet. It's the one facing Dubai skyline, right over here, looking to the north basically.
It's without the balcony.
Yeah, so the one without the balcony, this is the layout, and here we go with the payment so you can understand. On the day of booking, for example, today, let's say you're booking a unit with 50,000 dirham, or like depends, any amount you can book. So you have from this day to day 2 to 3 weeks to do the down payment. Your down payment is 20% plus 4% DLD. 4% DLD is like Dubai Land Department registration, like a tax. You pay only once and you don't pay never ever again. Plus 5,000 admin fee. So this is the payment you do first. So it basically comes as $100,000. Basically you're paying here. Then in the April 2025, you start to pay 1%, all the way to the handover. The handover is going on to be in 2026 in June, right over here. Sorry.
So they have really flexible payment plan and options, and this is like a great investment. Imagine investing on these properties, and then in 2026 you're going to be like making twice of your money because of the area, location, the kind of apartment it is, and everything. So hit me up if you want to like invest in any of this property. I'm gonna like link you to them and all of that. Anyways, this property inspection was really an eye-opener. Like they say, you can't really make money working for people. You make money by investments, right? Investing in businesses, real estate, stocks, and all of that. But real estate investment is one of the best investment that you can ever think of. Anyways, hit me up if you're interested and everything. The inspection went well and it was time to head back home. I really had a great day. I loved the prototypes, the physical ones they showed us, the deco and everything. It was really mind-blowing, and it's an eye-opener to start investing today. So guys, we are done. It was very fun. I mean, this inspires me to go out there and look for how to make money, but then legally, right? We're going back with this beautiful Rolls Royce. What model is this? What year?
It's a 2024 model.
This is 2024 model?
Yes.
Oh my god, guys, look at this. Let me show you. So I'm going back with a 2024 model Rolls Royce. Isn't this cute? Guys, when I talk about luxury, these guys gives you that. So that's about that. We're heading home now, and that's how my first day in Dubai went. I'm standing on business, so I needed to focus on business first. Anyways, I'm gonna be bringing amazing content your way. Just stay tuned, subscribe, like, leave your comments if you want to. If you want to make inquiries, I'm all here for you. Drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.